everybody. Back in the shop again today with something a little different. I'm being joined by my daughter Gwen, where she's teaching me how to make slime. Yep, we're making slime today. So if this interests you at all, please check out her channel, Gwen's World. There'll be a link down in the description below. And please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, let's make some slime. What do we do first?
So first you need glue.
Got glue.
Okay, so you're just gonna add as much as you want.
How much do I add?
I don't know. Just add a little bit. Just a little. Just add like that much.
Like 3 glugs?
Yeah, sure. I don't know. Yeah. You can like push the bottom of it. It'll help sometimes.
Like that?
Yes.
All right, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, now what?
So now you add the lotion. See, the lotion is what makes it stretchy.
Okay.
So you can add like 5 pumps or something.
5 pumps? Okay.
I don't know. It smells weird.
5 pumps.
Then you can mix that in. Why are you dancing? Okay, once that's mixed in.
Mixed?
We are going to be making fluffy slime, so you will need shaving cream. I don't have a lot, so.
Okay.
You want to go first?
Tell me when.
I don't know. It helps if it's not upright.
Like that?
No, add more. It's fluffy.
Like
That's
that?
good. Yes, that's good. I will add some now.
Mix it?
Yeah. Okay. Just mix that in until it is combined.
It's definitely fluffier than it was.
Yes. To the shaving cream. If you want to make like a lot of slime when you barely have any, you just add a bunch of shaving cream. But it does make it not stretchy and it makes it this weird texture if you add too much. That's where the lotion comes in handy. I have a little something. I have something in my slime, really? Wow.
Okay.
Okay, now you can add glitter or food coloring.
I don't think I want to add any glitter.
Okay, you can skip that stuff then.
Okay. Should we add some color?
Yeah.
What color should we do?
I don't know. It's your slime.
How about some green?
What should I do?
I don't know, do red.
I don't want to do red. That's weird.
Then do a different color.
Okay, I'll do blue.
There you go. How much? Like a couple drops? Or?
You can always add more. Just mix it in until you get the color you want.
Alright, put in 4 drops. Let's see if that's enough.
It does turn lighter though, so.
Oh, I think that's nice.
Add a little bit more.
Nice. Shamrock shake green.
St. Patrick's Day is tomorrow.
It's true.
Or whenever I upload this. Might be tonight, might be tomorrow. So, yeah.
Well, it's tomorrow right now.
Yes, when we are filming this, it is tomorrow. I like this. It's neon blue.
Okay.
Let's shoot. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter into mine because glitter is amazing. I will add
Blue glitter?
blue and white.
Blue and white, huh? It's a bold choice there.
Not really, but
That's a lot of glitter.
well, yeah. You have to make it glittery.
That's a lot of glitter.
Yep. Yes. Okay. It doesn't really show up like that, so like if you add a little bit, it doesn't look like there's anything in there.
I see. You don't see a lot, do you?
I'm gonna add a little bit more white. Okay, that's good. It's kind of pretty. Reminds me of Frozen, honestly.
Don't sing the song.
Not
We'll get
doing-
tagged on YouTube.
Wait, but isn't it like if you do it yourself, if you sing it yourself,
I think so. I don't know.
you don't get copyrighted?
Alright, what do we do next?
Now, you activate it.
What is this? Let's show the camera. Let's show everybody what this
Do
is.
you want me to put the cap back?
Stay flow.
Stop flow.
Stop flow? Stay flow.
It's
Liquid starch.
Liquid starch.
Okay. How much do you put in?
Just add a little bit at a time.
A little bit at a time. Mix it up.
Yeah, just mix. And then you can get your hands in it.
Oh, I don't want to get my hands in it.
Well, you're going to have to. It's
Oh,
slime.
boy.
What do you expect?
Oh man, that's really changed it. It really lumped up. Look at that.
Hey, don't worry. If it does that, just keep mixing it, and it'll eventually turn. Get a weird texture.
Yeah, it really clumped up. Did I put too much in?
No, you're almost to the point where like you can touch it. I know you don't want to touch it, but that's what you get for wanting.
So I get for wanting to do this video, huh? I got to touch the slime.
Yes. So yeah. If I'm ever like, do you want to make a slime video? Just know that's what you're in for.
I think it's like scrambled eggs.
That's weird. Yes, it is. Well, I should have made it yellow. Then you could make like scrambled egg slime.
Oh, scrambled egg slime. That would be cool.
And you could have like a scent of
I think I can touch it.
Just knead it in, and then you can add a little bit more if it's really sticky.
Okay. I roll up my sleeves for this one.
Should have told you that you would.
Oh boy, it's sticky.
I love this part. I need to teach you how to play with slime, don't I?
Mine's pretty slimy.
But you don't want it to be too sticky.
It's maybe a little too sticky. You think I need some more?
Probably. It does get this really weird texture, but then once you like knead it all together, it'll come out. Ooh, that's pretty. It's still sticky. Make sure that you add stuff. Oh, what the heck was that? Yeah.
Mine's pretty slimy. Oh.
Yep, that's the dog.
JoJo wants to be in the movie.
It's not a movie, it's a YouTube video. But you always say movie. Every time.
Oh, that's really firm.
That's why you don't add too much. You can add more lotion though if you want it to make it more stretchy.
Cool.
It's not supposed to do that. It's not supposed to like grip. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Gotta teach you how to do so many things with it, like spiral it, poke it. Cause those people go like this. You need to like stick your fingers in firmly, then pull them out like. Yeah. See, it's not as bad as you expect. Honestly, touching it, right?
It's weird. It's not sticky at all, and it's made from glue.
It's glue. I know. Make sure you add the stuff that's like in the bowl too.
Oh, I don't want to put it in there because it didn't work. It's got that starch in there. I don't want to get any more starch in it.
Oh, that's probably smart.
You done with the starch?
Yep. We want to add this part. What the heck is this? It's like weird.
It's a piece of plastic.
I have glitter on me now. So I was like, I'm gonna get glitter over my mouse. See, now you know how to play with slime. Like you've like become a master. I haven't even taught you how to do it. You're like, don't like fab your handwriting.
Oh, look at that. It thinned right out.
That's weird. I think it's like the texture, like when you add too much. Oh, there's something really fun that you can do with here. Pull it up like, or like let it drip. Then just like crumple it down and then squish it. You're trying to do the bubble thing I've been doing. I'm obsessed with slime.
That's how you make slime, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to make like a spiral.
How do you make a spiral?
Basically, you're gonna want to stretch it out and then put it back together a few times like this.
Like taffy.
Yeah, that's
Mine's like rippy.
I know. You may have overactivated it.
You may have overactivated.
I think you do. You just gotta do it a few times so you can get some nice lines in it. I don't know how many a few times is. Yours is just 7. Then you just gotta put it down.
I think I overdid mine.
Gotta spiral it. Then
It's
you
pretty cool
squish
though.
it, even though there's no bubbles to be popped in mine. You wanna try with mine?
No.
Okay.
I don't want to glitter over my hands.
Okay. So what do you think?
I think I made slime. Alright, thanks.
Alright, well thanks for watching our slime video. I will see you next time.